One part of object-oriented programming that makes it incredibly useful and is one of the main reasons why it gets used by so many developers in so many different languages, and that is something called inheritance, which is where you inherit properties, attributes, functions, methods, whatever, from a parent class. So, for example, if we have a class of animals, and we'll just put in there some things that every animal can do, so eat, and that's going to call self, and that won't do anything for now. We'll do def again, and we'll do, let's see, talk, and we'll just keep it simple for now, so we'll have just two of these. So now that we've got those two, that's something that every single animal can do. However, if we were to specify more broadly, so if I was to go to cat, and then a cat can talk, and a cat can eat, so we can define, I'll do talk, and I'll define all of these in more depth in a few moments. But also, a cat can also no. Let's see, what can a cat do that's unique? Okay, I'll just leave this as and do move. So that's, obviously it's not unique to a cat, but it's just an example of what we can do. This isn't something that you'd really use object-oriented and inheritance for as such. This is just to show you what you can do with it. So as you can see here, now we've got a cat, but we need to make it inherit animals. So inside the parentheses here, we'll just do animals. And that will now inherit all of its properties from animals and then do these as well. So where we have eat, we'll just do print, and we'll output I can eat, and for talk we'll print I can talk. Then for talk, for the cat, we're going to do meow, and for move we'll print that and we'll say I can move. So this is all very, very trivial and pretty pointless, to be honest, but it shows the key understanding and gives you an understanding of what inheritance will do. So now if I create, if I do muffin is equal to cat, and then just do muffin dot talk, and if we run this, we will get meow. So even though we inherit the talk from the animals class, because we are overwriting it within our cat class, which is the one which is the child class, we now get the output of meow. So there is a way to overrun this, and what we can do is we can do muffin.super.talk. And what this will do is it goes to superclass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do muffin is equal to cat, and here we are calling the cat method. So what I'm going to do is muffin is equal to cat, and then if we do muffin.talk, then we run this, we will get meow. And the reason why we get meow and not I can talk is because we are overwriting it within the cat class. So the parent class, which is animals, has all of the actual values, such as eat and talk set, but they are default values. But if we are to overwrite them in our a class which we call afterwards, which is now talk, in the cat, sorry, and then we overwrite the talk, we now get the output from talk instead of the output from previous. So what we can do with this is allows us to have everything that, say, an animal can do, which is eat, talk, move, sleep, and so on, and then we can do any specific things outside of that. So if I was to call muffin.move and also muffin.eat, you'll see that we inherit both the default for eat, which isn't declared explicitly within our within our cat class, and we can also inherit move, which is explicitly declared within our cat class, but not within our parent class. So the cat is the child, and the animals is the parent class, and this allows us to, like I've mentioned, just expand upon something that has already been set. So, for example, now if I was to create, say, a dog class, and that extends animals as well, or inherits animals, then do talk, then print, I can do woof, for example. And now if I was to create a dog, and I'll call this one sky is equal to dog, and then do sky.talk, you'll see that what we get now is woof. So we get woof, meow, because we call the dog one first, then the cat. So we've got woof, meow, and then we've got the cat's move and the cat's eat as well. If you were to create, say, a dog and you didn't want it to do anything inside it, you just wanted it to be called, then you type in the keyword pass, and that will just simply mean that you created it and there's nothing inside it, so it will inherit everything from the parent class and nothing else. And so pass will make it so that everything that is inside the animals class is inside the dog class, however nothing else is being put in there explicitly. And so instead of woof we now get I can talk, which is the default value for talk. So thank you for watching. That is everything to do with classes, so hopefully you understand it all properly. If not, then just go back and revisit some of these videos, and I will see you in the next video.